Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to find DNS server address in PC. To start, we will open the control panel from Start. There, under Network and Internet, we will click on View Network Status and Tasks. Now click on your current network. We will click on the button, Details. You can see your DNS server on the line, IPv4DN server. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.